Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make homemade chocolates that are dairy, egg, and nut free. And since Easter is just around the corner, I thought it would be really cute to make some chocolate Easter bunnies. And since it's really hard to find chocolates that are allergy friendly in the stores, and if you do happen to find them, they are a bit on the expensive side. Okay, so I just wanted to share with you the chocolate that we're going to be using in today's video. It's the Enjoy Life brand, and what I usually do is I buy the mini variety packs, and I usually purchase these packs from the superstore here in Canada right after the holiday season, as they are a lot cheaper to purchase. Okay, so here is the milk chocolate, and then they've got the dark chocolate, and they have the chocolate crunch. So usually what we tend to do is we use the dark chocolate for creating our chocolate molds. Just because my son doesn't like the dark chocolate, we'd prefer to use this when making it because he does like to eat the others on their own. Okay, so we're going to start by using one of these Wilton chocolate melters. This is one of my favorite finds. So what we'll do is let that heat up, and then we're going to start melting our chocolate. Okay, so we're going to start off by melting 15 packages of the dark chocolate, or you could use 150 grams of the Enjoy Life mini chippets. So now we're just going to let the chocolate melt. So now that our chocolate is nicely melted, we're going to start by adding in our wow butter. We're going to add in a 1/4 cup of wow butter to our melted chocolate. And just wait for this to melt up. And next we'll add in our 1/4 cup of Rice Krispies. Okay, so now that that chocolate is nicely melted up, we're going to add it into these really cute bunny molds that I found at Walmart. And as you can see here, I'm only filling the bunnies halfway. I just don't want them very thick. Okay, so now that our mold is all filled up, we are going to set these in the freezer for about 4 hours. Okay, so we're now ready to pop out the chocolate out of the silicone molds, and they should pop out really easily, just like this. Now, I did want to mention, I did used to have plastic molds, but I found that those were very hard to remove the chocolate from, and they were also not easy to wash as well, whereas I find these silicone molds very easy to remove the chocolates and very easy to wash as well. These chocolate bunny shapes are a perfect size to put in a plastic Easter egg for an Easter egg hunt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what I usually do for my kids. I place these chocolate bunnies in one of these 2x3 plastic bags that I purchased from our local Dollar Haven. You can also purchase them probably at a Dollarama or a Dollar Tree. So what I usually like to do is I like to take the chocolate molds straight from the freezer and place them into the bags, as it makes it a little bit easier to slide into those bags, as you can see here. And then what you can do is then place it in a medium-sized egg throw that in there. And there you can have those for an Easter egg hunt. They fit perfectly inside these eggs. There you go. Okay, so there's our bunnies. Now, I just want to mention too that my son enjoys eating these right out of the freezer. He prefers them cold. He doesn't like them when they're sitting out. Just thought I'd mention that. And there you have our very cute Easter chocolates that are peanut, tree nut, dairy, and egg-free. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new and upcoming videos, and we'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.